Hi, y'all.
Hi y'all, welcome to Cajun Cooking TV. I'm Beryl Stokes and I have a quick tutorial for you today that is how to peel and devein shrimp. We're cooking shrimp in a little while, so I thought I'd shoot this quick video on how to do that. Okay, so what we have here is 1 pound of Gulf fresh shrimp from our local market, and so we want to fry these, and so I need to peel them and devein them, and I'm also going to butterfly them. So the first thing I do is grab it by the tail. I hold it by the tail. So I hold it by the tail with my thumb and fingers, and with this thumb get to the bottom of all the feet and pull it off. And then you do it just above that last joint. So that's all that you have left, and you want to keep the tail on when you fry them. Typically, we like to leave them on. And so to devein them, make sure you have an empty container for shells and then another container with some ice as you peel them. So I have a good sharp paring knife here, and I'm just going to hold the shrimp in my hand like this and go down the back side. And this one does have a vein right there. So we're just going to pull that out, put it on our paper towel, try and get the rest of it out. All right, I'll do one more. Hold the tail with your fingers and your thumb underneath, get to the feet with your thumb, pull them, and you pull the whole thing off. So now I've got them deveined, and for us, we want to butterfly them. So all that entails is taking your knife and just going a little bit further into the meat without going all the way through. So you just want to carefully open that up, and that's what's called butterflied shrimp. So you've opened it halfway up, but it's still attached. Do that one more time. Hold your shrimp like you were. Kind of cut through it, but not all the way. And then it flattens out just like that, but it's still attached. All right, well, I'll finish these on my own, but I have shown you how to peel, devein, and butterfly shrimp to prepare for cooking your restaurant quality meals just like us.